Getting your message heard by the right audience has never been easier. AudioGo gives you direct access to premium streaming and podcast publishers across the United States and Canada. Whether you're looking to boost brand awareness or drive website traffic, AudioGo's self-service platform puts professional audio advertising in your hands. Let's walk through how to create your first campaign. From the AudioGo dashboard, just click the Create New Campaign button. First up, if you're an agency user, select your advertiser from the drop-down menu. This helps keep your campaigns organized, especially if you're managing multiple brands or clients. For non-agency users, you can just skip this step. Next, give your campaign a name. Feel free to customize it to something that makes sense for you. Now set your start and end dates. You can choose to launch immediately or schedule your campaign to start later. Keep in mind that all campaigns in the US and Canada use Central Time as the default, so adjust accordingly. Your campaign can run anywhere from 24 hours up to 90 days for regular users or 180 days for agencies. If you want your ads to play at specific times, turn on hourly scheduling. This visual tool lets you pick exactly which hours and days of the week your ads should run in each listener's local time zone. Time to choose your campaign type. This is important because it determines where your ads will play. Podcast campaigns go exclusively to podcast publishers, while streaming campaigns run on music, radio, CTV, and other streaming platforms. Here's where it gets smart. Select your campaign goal from 4 options. Brand awareness delivers your ad multiple times to build recall. Brand reach maximizes exposure to unique listeners. Website traffic optimizes for click-enabled devices and includes companion banners. Conversions focuses on driving purchases or form submissions. AudioGo automatically adjusts your campaign strategy based on the goal you pick. Time to upload your audio ad. If you got one ready and it's under 30 seconds, just choose the language it's in. Don't have an ad? No problem. You can create one either by using our synthetic voice ad feature or request a professionally recorded ad delivered within 24 hours or less. It's as simple as filling out this form. You can actually use up to 3 different audio ads per campaign to test which one works best and keep your audience engaged. Upload your display banners next. We suggest uploading in all 3 sizes, so your banners show up properly on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Make sure to also include a destination URL for your banners, UTM links accepted. Now decide if you want to retarget listeners. By default, this is turned on, meaning that people who hear your audio ad will also see your display banners on websites they visit later. It's a powerful way to stay top of mind, but you can always turn it off. If you're externally tracking the efficiency of your banners, make sure to include the links here. Let's define your target audience. This is where podcast and streaming campaigns differ a bit. Common targeting options include location, gender, and device type. For streaming campaigns, you can also target by behavioral segments and music genre. While for podcast campaigns, you can target by brand suitability to make sure your ads run in appropriate content, specific ad positions, predictive audiences, and topics. As you adjust your targeting, the Audience Guide tool shows whether your audience size matches your budget. You want to hit that sweet spot where it says your selection is just right. If you're tracking conversions, select your tracking pixel here. This lets you measure actions people take after hearing your ad. Add your payment method by entering your credit card details in this next section. Don't worry, you'll only be charged for actual campaign spend, and we bill gradually as your campaign runs. Next, auto bidding lets AudioGo optimize your bids. Now set your campaign budget. Your budget gets distributed throughout your campaign duration, and the Audience Guide will show you estimated ad plays, unique listeners, and frequency per listener based on your budget. Finally, if you're running this campaign for a client, you can enable agency margin to add your fee on top of the media cost. Review everything one more time and either save the campaign as a draft or schedule it. Ready to get your message heard by millions? Head over to audiogo.com today and create your first campaign. Start reaching your audience where they're already listening.